Hello friends, welcome to Math School. Today in this video, we are going to learn operations with sign numbers. If you know while solving equations how to operate with sign numbers, then you can solve that equation within few seconds. The ability to add and subtract sign numbers is the best learned by practice and common sense. Operations with sign numbers while doing addition, subtraction or multiplication or division, it is very important, because if you know that how to deal with that, then you can solve bigger equations also. So let's see first addition. First we will see addition of like signs. In addition of like signs, add the absolute values and keep the same sign. So for example, -6 plus -3. So in this example, 6 and 3 are the absolute values and they have minus sign. Both signs are same. So that's why they are like signs. And how to solve this problem? So first add the absolute values, which are 6 and 3. So I'll write here 9, because when we add 6 and 3, 9 comes. And then give the same sign. Here is negative sign, so I give negative sign here. So that's why -6 plus -3 comes as -9. Now let's see addition for unlike signs. For example, -7 plus 3. So what will be the answer? Here we are going to add -7 and +3. You see, 7 number has minus sign and 3 number has plus sign. They are unlike signs, they are different signs. So while solving the addition of unlike signs, what do we do? Take the difference of the absolute values and keep the sign of the number with the larger absolute value. So the difference between 7 and 3 is 4. So I write 4 here, and the sign of larger absolute value is minus. That's why I give minus sign here. So our answer comes as -4, means -7 plus 3 or 3 equals -4. Let's have another example. -8 plus 10. 8 number has minus sign and 10 number has plus sign, and the difference between 8 and 10 is 2. So I write here 2, and the bigger number is 10, which has plus sign. That's why I write here plus sign. That's why. So we get -8 plus 10 equals +2. Now let's see the subtraction. Subtraction is the inverse operation of addition. Subtracting a number is the same as adding its inverse. Subtraction is often easier if you change to addition by changing the sign of the number being subtracted. They use the rules for addition of sign numbers. Let's take first example. -5 -10. So because of this minus sign, it changes this sign, whatever the 10 has. So -5, so plus sign will come here. Because of this minus sign, this sign changes, so plus sign, so plus 10. So what is the difference between 5 and 10 is 5, and give the sign of bigger number, that is plus. You have to remember, when while subtracting, if first number has minus sign and second number also has minus sign, then because of this minus sign, the sign of this number changes from minus to positive. Let's have another example. Minus 15 minus 5. So minus 15, because of this minus, this sign will change, so it converts it plus, so plus 5. So the difference between 15 and 5 is 10, so I write here 10 and give sign of bigger number, which is minus. So when we solve this problem, which is minus 15 minus 5, then the answer comes as minus 10. Now let's move to multiplication. But before that, you like this video and make sure that you subscribe my channel, so you will not miss such type of informative math videos which I brings for you and which guides you. Now we will see the operations with sign numbers in multiplication. The product of two numbers with the same sign is positive. For example, minus 2 times minus 5. Here 2 has minus sign and 5 has also minus sign. So both numbers have same sign. So 2 times 5 is 10 and both are minus. While multiplying, if the same sign is there, so it becomes positive. So minus 2 times minus 5 equals plus 10. Let's have another example. Plus 6 times plus 7. So here both numbers have same sign as positive. So 6 times 7 is 42 and there will come positive sign. Let's have another example. Minus 2 times plus 3. So here first multiply the absolute values, which are 2 and 3. So 2 times 3 is 6 and give minus sign here, because minus times plus, remember this one, minus times plus always comes minus. If the example is like this, plus 6 times minus 2, then answer comes as minus 12. Now let's talk about division. The quotient of two numbers with the same sign is positive. Let's take first example. Minus 50 divided by minus 5. So here 50 has minus sign, also 5 has minus sign. So both signs are same. That time, if the both signs are same, it turns in positive sign. And 50 divided 5 is 10, so I write here 10. That's why we get minus 50 divided by 5 equals plus 10. Let's have another example. Minus 6 divided by 2. So 6 has minus sign but 2 has positive sign. here in front of 2 no sign is given, means it is positive. There is no equal signs, then negative signs comes here, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, I write 3 here. You have to remember that if minus sign is divided by plus or plus sign is divided by minus, then answer has, whatever the answer has, it has minus sign. Let's take next example. 24 divided by minus 8. Now 24 has plus sign and 8 has minus sign. They are not same, means positive and negative signs are unlike signs. That's why negative sign comes here, and 24 divided by 8 is 3. So, I write 3 here. Guys, I hope you like this video. So, please give a big thumbs up to this video and share to your friends, and make sure you subscribe to my channel so you will not miss any my video. We'll see you in next video. Thank you. Bye bye.